Planting these potatoes isn't simple. It's science, care, and patience. Sensors in the ground help us grow the perfect potatoes for chips. This story began on our family farm, under golden morning skies.
All right, let's get this field tilled.
For months, we wait, until starch and sugar balance becomes just right.
Most people see just a potato, but to me it's months of hard work and hands. Every day out here tilling the soil, tending the plants, waiting for the harvest, and holding this makes it all worth it.
Finally, harvest day arrives. The machines roll in like giants.
That's the last one for this truck. All right, send it off. The next truck will be here soon.
Watching the truck leave feels strange. My work is entering a new chapter. Before the factory, potatoes rest in cold storage, preparing for transformation. And this one, perfectly round, my prized potato. Thousands of potatoes are sorted every minute. Only the best survive. Then I see it, a massive chips factory humming with energy. Its massive scale is truly impressive. Inside, its machinery processes materials with precision. The entire operation runs with seamless efficiency.
This batch shows consistent starch levels. Water content is within parameters. Inserting probe now. Reading is stable. Next potato. Maintaining quality.
My potato disappears onto a conveyor into the heart of the factory. Now the slicer. My potato is about to become chips.
Orders in. Let's load up. On it. First pallet ready. Clear for loading. Coming in now. Set it right there. Next one ready.
Less than 24 hours later, the chips are already on the road. And there it is, a bag of cheese chips on the store shelf.
One crunch and I taste months of farming, science, and care.
From soil to snack. What's your favorite chips flavor? Comment below.